The Skamlingsbanken Visitor Center in Kolding, Denmark, is an architectural landmark that blends seamlessly into a historically and ecologically significant landscape. Designed by Danish architecture firm CEBRA, the center is embedded into the undulating terrain of Skamlingsbanken, Southern Jutland's highest point, revealing itself only through two curved cuts in the hillside. This discrete design choice respects the area's natural topography, formed during the last ice age, and maintains focus on the surrounding environment rather than the structure itself. Skamlingsbanken has been a central location for key democratic gatherings in Denmark's history, including debates on the Schleswig-Holstein conflict and women's suffrage. The site's natural hollows historically provided shelter from wind, making it a natural amphitheater for civil assemblies. CEBRA's concept revitalizes this legacy, transforming the center into a modern arena for democratic dialogue and environmental education. The center houses exhibitions focused on nature, democracy, and the power of speech. Its interior features clay-plastered walls, terrazzo flooring with fieldstones, and oak elements, materials that ground the space in local craftsmanship and aesthetics. A panoramic view of the Little Belt Strait concludes the exhibition, connecting visitors visually and emotionally to the landscape. Sustainability played a crucial role in the project. Built in a protected area, the center's construction involved extensive ecological collaboration. Biologist Mette Kesseler List helped develop a native grass mixture and reuse natural peat from the site, ensuring minimal disruption to biodiversity. The protected area around the building was expanded from 35 to 128 hectares. Beyond its architectural form, the center acts as a gateway to Skamlingsbanken's larger story. Paths flowing through the building and landscape invite visitors to explore the region while reflecting on democratic values, environmental responsibility, and the interconnection between humanity and nature.